Hi, welcome back friends. So in last video we have successfully completed our change password.php file code, and now we are adding some things in this video, and we are going to resolve some issues and bugs in our application. You can see here I have already logged in using of admin account on the dashboard.php page. You can see here, but if I try to access user.php file, I can access from here. So you can see that. Okay, so I want if admin try to access user.php file, they will not be able to access user.php file without the login. Okay, so what we need to do to resolve this problem, first of all, let's open our code editor and let's go on user.php file, and here you can see this code. Okay, here I put the if condition $session and user email is empty, then redirect us on index.php file. But here I can add something more. First let's copy this line of code, copy, and here simple type or and paste date line here session. But here instead of user email I need to give role. Okay, and role should be admin. It means if admin try to access user.php file, then it will not able to access, because here we put this condition. Okay, we have put the row, if role is equal to admin, then redirect us on index.php page. So let's save our file and let's see the result. Go back on dashboard.php file. First of all, log out from our application and log in again, and after login try to access user.php. Perfect. You can see here we are not able to access user.php file. Okay, we have login now. Let's try user. Perfect. Okay, so log out from our application, and after log out, you can see here we can access our change password file also. Okay, you can see here we have already logged out from our application, but if I press the enter key from my keyboard, we are able to access our change password.php file, and here is session is not set. So what we need to do, simple lines we need to copy. Let's go on dashboard.php, and you can see here this 2 lines only we need to copy from here, and we need to paste here. Okay, so save our file, and let's log out and refresh our file, and let's try again. Let's try to access change password.php file. You can see here we are not able to access again change password.php file. So let's try again. Perfect. Okay, but if we log in, and after login if I try to access change password, I can access. Okay, so these are the things I want to tell you in this video. I hope you got this. If you have any problem, or if I get any bug in our application, I will tell you in the next videos. Okay, so if you have any problem, you can ask me the question. Simply what I have done here, simply I just copied these simple lines from the dashboard.php, and I paste in the change password.php file, and in the user.php file I just add this line here. Okay, so this is not the big task, this is a simple task if we understand what I am coding. So see you in next video.